Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to do call recording on your iPhone iOS 26. For example, if you want to make any call and you want to record it on your iPhone, so how you can set it. For this, what you have to do, you have to simply watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. So basically, in the previous iOS 18 or later, you are able to call record on your iPhone iOS 26. But if you want to record any call, then there are no settings available. But just you have to call anyone on your iPhone, and after that there will be option available during call that you can make a call, and after that you will, can record it. But there is option available that both the sender and receiver of the call can get the notification about that call is being recorded. So you have to make sure about that. So if you want to record any call on your iPhone iOS 26, then you have to simply make a call, and after that the option will be available as you can simply make a call on your iPhone iOS 26, and after that a record option will be available where you can simply record all your calls on iPhone iOS 26. But if that option doesn't show on your iPhone, that will you have to wait for some time, because that call recording option is still missing in many iPhones. So you have to wait for some time so that that option is also available on your device. So hope you have liked this video. If you get more videos like these, you can subscribe our channel.